Ever thought of embarking on a travel adventure to Malmö, Sweden? Or even better, have you considered filming a travel vlog while experiencing life in Sweden? Picture this, a city where the old and recent blend seamlessly, where cobblestone streets of Malmö city lead to the innovative turning torso, a blend of history and a glimpse into the future. As we take you on a city tour through a 4K video, you'll see why Malmö, nestled on the southwestern coast, is more than just a city by the Öresund Bridge. It's an economic powerhouse. From a day trip to Lund, Sweden, to the bustling hub of education at Lund University, Journey will provide you with all the travel tips you need for international travel. We'll also give you a first impression of what it's like living in Sweden, giving you a sneak into a typical apartment tour, and even a home tour for those considering a more permanent stay. You'll discover the vibrant, diverse culture that makes Malmö a melting pot of ideas and creativity, offering glimpses into LGBTQ travel, a perspective from a gay couple and a lesbian couple. Travel couple Kara and Nate will walk you through the Copenhagen to Malmö train ride, giving you a taste of winter in Sweden, as well as Denmark travel experiences. We'll highlight the Copenhagen Christmas market and provide tips on things to do in Sweden before you go, such as visiting the quaint city of Lund and walking through the iconic Öresund Bridge. And don't worry, we'll also provide you with budget travel and trip tips, so you can enjoy a food tour, a visit to the beer garden, and satisfy your sweet tooth with a Danish pastry without breaking the bank. This promises to be unforgettable journey captured in HDR quality through drone footage of Malmö, a city beautifully combining the old with the new. So strap in, open your mind and heart to the essence of Scandinavia, and get ready for an experience that will change your perspective on Europe travel as you take in the sights of Malmö, including the Malmö, Sweden turning torso, under the varying Malmö, Sweden weather, and find out about the best hotels in Malmö, Sweden. Welcome to this travel guide of Malmö, a city that encapsulates the essence of a visit to Copenhagen, Denmark, and the larger experience of Europe. Think Sweden, think history, think Malmö. If you're planning a Scandinavian travel vlog, Malmö is a city that has it in abundance. Here, nestled in Copenhagen's backyard and just a quick train ride across the Öresund Bridge, you'll find a treasure trove of historical gems. Kara and Nate, our favorite travel couple, are here to guide you through life in Sweden, starting with a 4K video city tour of Malmö. Firstly, the formidable Malmö Castle. Built in the 15th century, this robust Renaissance fortress has weathered the tide of time, standing as a sentinel to Malmö's past. Here, you'll find a museum filled with artifacts and exhibits that narrate the tale of Malmö's journey through the centuries. It's a must-visit spot for any international traveler with a love for history. Next, we move to the Gothic grandeur of St. Peter's Church, a masterpiece that has towered over Malmö since the 14th century. Its stunning HDR-enhanced exterior, complete with a soaring spire, is matched by its breathtaking interior, adorned with medieval frescoes and a magnificent wooden altar. This church isn't just a place of worship, but a testament to the city's resilience and enduring faith. And then there's Gamla Staden, the old town. Walking through its cobblestone lanes with a drone hovering above, capturing the charming boutiques and half-timbered houses, feels like stepping back in time. Just a day trip away, we also recommend visiting Lund, home to Lund University, and a city filled with history and character. And don't forget, check out the Turning Torso, a modern marvel of architecture that has become one of Malmö and another must include in your travel video. Travel tips before you go. Malmö's weather can be quite chilly in winter, so pack accordingly. There are numerous hotels in Malmö, Sweden, fitting all budgets for those looking for an affordable European adventure. We recommend taking a food tour to fully experience the local cuisine, including the famous Danish pastry. Malmö isn't just an LGBTQ-friendly city, it's a city for everyone. Whether a gay couple, lesbian couple, or a solo traveler, you'll find Malmö welcoming and inclusive. So grab your camera, pack your, and prepare for an unforgettable Scandinavian journey. Remember, in Malmö, every brick, every street, every corner tells a story. Welcome to Malmö, Sweden, a city that gracefully marries the past with the future. as we embark on our travel vlog, journeying from Copenhagen to Malmö. Join us, your favorite travel couple, in unraveling the wonders of this Swedish city. Stepping off from the Copenhagen to Malmö train, we are greeted by the towering turning torso, the tallest architectural marvel in Scandinavia. Rising like a phoenix, this building spectacularly twists 90 degrees from base to top, echoing Malmö's spirit of audacious innovation. Venturing from the turning torso to the eco-friendly neighborhood of Västra Hamnen, transformed from a simple industrial port into a model of sustainable living, we get a glimpse of life in Sweden. This green neighborhood, a testament to living in Sweden, is also home to the avant-garde Malmö University, an institution that's shaping the minds of tomorrow. As our day trip unfolds, we delve into Malmö's food tour, relishing everything from Michelin-starred delicacies to street food, aptly showcasing Malmö's dynamic culinary landscape. But the city surprises you. Copenhagen isn't the only one boasting of a vibrant Christmas market. In Malmö, art isn't confined to galleries, it is a lived experience. From contemporary art exhibits to street art, Malmö's city tour is a celebration of creative expression. With our 4K video and drone footage, we bring to you the shining city under the winter in Sweden, across the stunning Öresund Bridge, and into the city of Lund. Our tour doesn't stop at the sights. We take you through an apartment tour, giving you a taste of home in Sweden. As we travel through this LGBTQ-friendly city, we share international travel tips, budget travel advice, and trip tips to make your journey smoother. Whether it's visiting Copenhagen, exploring the Lund University, or indulging in a Danish pastry, this travel guide has got you covered. Malmö, Sweden is a city that lets you experience the future, not just in its state-of-the-art buildings and sustainable practices, but also in its open-minded ethos. So, before you go, join us, Kara and Nate, as we explore the wonderland that is Malmö. And remember, travel isn't just about visiting places, it's about experiencing them. Once upon a time, in the heart of Sweden, located just a short train ride from Copenhagen, lies the mesmerizing city of Malmö. Come with us, your beloved travel couple, as we embark on a 4K video journey showcasing life in Sweden, specifically on an invigorating day trip from Copenhagen to Malmö. Let's start our travel vlog from the Öresund Bridge, connecting Copenhagen and Malmö, from where you'll get your first impressions of this Scandinavian gem. Culture is the heartbeat of Malmö, and in this city, it beats loud and clear. On this city tour, we'll immerse ourselves in Malmö's vibrant cultural scene, a testament to its rich history and diverse population. At the heart of this cultural tapestry is the Malmö Opera and Music Theatre, the largest opera house in Scandinavia. We'll take you on a behind-the-scenes home tour of this grand establishment, ensuring that you live every moment captured in stunning HDR and drone footage. Just a stone's throw away, you'll find the Moderna Museet Malmö, an offshoot of the famous Stockholm Museum. This modern museum is the pinnacle of creativity, showcasing works from some of the most pioneering artists of the 20th and 21st centuries. This isn't just a place to appreciate art. It's a space that encourages critical thinking and dialogue, reflecting Malmö's commitment to intellectual and cultural growth. Now, time for a food tour around Malmö, featuring the city's diverse culinary scene. From cozy cafes serving up traditional Swedish fika, accompanied by Danish pastry, to stylish restaurants offering a smorgasbord of international flavors, and even a visit to a local beer garden. Our travel guide wouldn't be complete without showcasing the turning torso, a spectacular skyscraper, the tallest in all of Scandinavia. We'll also take you on an apartment, giving you a peek into living in Sweden. We'll then head to Lund, home to the renowned Lund University. This is just a small taste of what to expect. So keep watching our travel vlog for more international travel tips, insights into LGBTQ travel, and glimpses of winter in Sweden. And remember, before you go exploring this dynamic city, check the Malmö, Sweden weather and your choice of hotels in Malmö, Sweden. Join us, Kara and Nate, as we unravel the cultural treasures of Malmö, Sweden, revealing the city's richness one beat at a time. And don't forget to visit the dazzling Copenhagen Christmas market when you make your way back to Denmark. Welcome to the travel vlog of Kara and Nate, a travel couple living in Sweden. taking you on a city tour of Malmö, a gem in Scandinavia situated just a short train ride from Copenhagen to Malmö via the Öresund Bridge. We are sharing international travel tips and first impressions as explore the green ethos of life in Sweden, expressed so admirably in Malmö city. With its abundance of verdant landscapes, Malmö values its green spaces, offering a serene escape from the urban hustle. Our first stop is Kungsparken, aptly named the King's Park. As we navigate through this park via a 4K video complete with HDR and drone views, we are drawn to the tranquility of this haven of serenity, right in the heart of Malmö. The park is a delightful retreat any time of the year, a canvas of seasonal hues, from the fresh greens of spring to the warm russets of winter in Sweden. Just a stone's throw away from Kungsparken is Slottsträdgården, the castle garden. This beautiful organic garden, filled with vibrant flowers, fragrant herbs, and delicious, is a living testament to Malmö's dedication to sustainability. The garden, with its windmill standing tall amidst the greenery, is a sight to behold. Here, the city's residents, including us, participate in community gardening, contributing to Malmö's green ethos and creating a sense of belonging. From there, we journey to the stunning Ribersborgsstranden beach, known for its open-air bath affectionately called Ribbon. It's a popular spot for sunbathing, swimming, and picnicking. Here, the city meets the sea, where the rhythm of urban life syncs with the ebb and flow of the waves. These green spaces are integral to Malmö's identity. They provide a venue for social connection and promote well-being. Whether you're a local seeking respite from a busy day or a visitor exploring the city, these spaces offer a moment of quiet and a delightful encounter with nature. We also made a day trip to Lund, visiting the prestigious Lund University and capturing some amazing drone shots of the turning torso, the tallest building in Scandinavia, located in Malmö. Now let's take a trip to the Copenhagen Christmas market before we give you a home tour of our apartment in Malmö. We will also share some budget travel tips and what to do in Copenhagen for those planning a visit. Stay tuned for a food tour of the city where we will sample some Danish pastry and visit a local beer garden. In Malmö, nature isn't just around you, it's a part of you. Thanks for joining us on this tour, and remember to check the Malmö, Sweden weather before you go, and take a look at some Malmö, Sweden hotels. We also aim to cater to the LGBTQ travel community, providing tips and support for gay travel, lesbian couple travel, and gay couple travel. So remember, no matter who you are, Malmö welcomes you. Stay tuned for more exciting travel videos as we continue our European journey. What's it like to live and travel in Malmö, Sweden, you ask? Well, let's indulge in an immersive 4K video travel vlog, taking you from Copenhagen to Malmö via the Öresund Bridge. Here's a city that blends history and modernity seamlessly, a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Picture walking the cobblestone streets of Gamla Staden, the city's old town, with centuries-old buildings whispering tales of yesteryears. Then, just a stone's throw away, there's the turning torso, a modern architectural marvel that twists its way into the Scandinavian sky. It's not just about living in Sweden, it's about experiencing life in Malmö city. Your journey from Copenhagen to Malmö, whether by train or car, sets the stage for a cultural smorgasbord that leaves no taste bud unexcited. Vibrant festivals, bustling food markets serving cuisines from around the world, and a myriad of art forms call Malmö home. If you're a fan of Kara and Nate and their travel tips, you'll love this snapshot of life in Malmö. And let's not forget Malmö's green spaces, a testament to the city's commitment to sustainability. Whether you're strolling around Kungsparken exploring the biodiversity of Slottsträdgården or visiting a beer garden, Malmö's commitment to the environment is clear. There's more to Malmö than just its landmarks and scenes. If you're considering a day trip to Lund, Sweden, or planning a winter in Sweden, make sure to use our international travel tips and first impressions video series to prepare you for what lies ahead. Malmö and Lund University are vibrant places full of life and the warmth of the people, the rhythm of life. It's an experience that you live, you feel, you breathe in. Whether you're a travel couple looking for LGBTQ travel tips, a food tour enthusiast, a fan of HDR drone videography, or a budget traveler looking for an apartment tour, Malmö beckons you with open arms. But before you go, check out the Copenhagen Christmas market and taste some delicious Danish pastry. Remember, Malmö, Sweden is not just about the turning torso or the Malmö, Sweden weather, but the experience is all-encompassing. From the hotels in Malmö, Sweden, to the Malmö, Sweden Hotels home tour, Malmö is an experience waiting to be discovered. So gear up for an adventure full of Scandinavian and European charm that extends from Denmark and Copenhagen to Malmö, Sweden. Visit Copenhagen, but miss out on Malmö. It's more than just a city. It's a travel video waiting to be lived.